everyone, Miss Danielle is back and we're going to do some more turkey activities. Are you ready? We're going to read a book together about different colored turkeys. So I need your help to see what color our turkeys are. Are you ready? Here we go. I'm going on a turkey hunt just for fun. I don't need a bow and arrow and I don't need a gun. I'm going on a turkey hunt. Gobble, gobble, gobble. I'm going on a turkey hunt. So up and out of bed. I'm looking for a turkey with feathers painted red. Can you say red? Red turkey. I'm going on a turkey hunt and you can come too. I'm looking for a turkey with the feathers painted blue. Good job. I'm going on a turkey hunt with my eyes are so keen. I'm looking for a turkey with the feathers painted green. I'm going on a turkey hunt. I better not wink. I'm looking for a turkey with the feathers colored pink. Can you say pink? Pink feathers. I'm going on a turkey hunt. That bird sure is a funny fellow. I'm looking for a turkey with his feathers painted. Can you guess what color? Yellow. Good job. I'm going on a turkey hunt. I think I see a track. I'm looking for a turkey with its feather painted black. Black. I'm going on a turkey hunt. I will look up and down. I'm looking for a turkey with its feathers painted brown. Brown. Brown feathers. I'm going on a turkey hunt. I will look all day and night. I am looking for a turkey with its feathers painted white. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Well, I went on a turkey hunt just for fun. And all I found those turkeys, each and every one. Let's go over our colors. We found a red turkey, a blue turkey, a green turkey, a pink turkey, a yellow turkey, a black turkey, a brown turkey, and a white turkey. Can you guess how many turkeys did we find on our turkey hunt? Do you know how many turkeys? You want to see? Let's count. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We found 8 turkeys. That's a lot of turkeys. All right. Oh, what do I have? I have a container with the letter T. Can you say T, 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 T for turkey? Do you hear that? Should we open it? Should we see what's in our container? All right, let's open. Open. Ooh, let's see what we can find. Oh, look what Miss Danielle has found. What is that? That is a tiger. That starts with the letter T. T is for tiger. Roar. It's a little tiger. What else can I find? Uh-oh. I found a turkey. T is for turkey. Go Gobble, gobble, gobble. What else? T is for turtle. What color is my turtle? It is green. I have a green turtle. Oh, I found the letter T. I have a big T, a little T. T for tiger, turkey, turtle. Good job. You all done awesome. Well, that's all I have for today. I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.